Hey everyone, this is Wake Angel 2001 coming at you from my room, and we are going to take a look at this package from Big Bad Toy Store. This is how big the box has to be when you order the wave of, a wave of action figures. This is wave 13 of these Jakks Pacific Sonic the Hedgehog figures, which, contains Infinite and Cream. Now, this box is kind of living proof of the universe's desire to completely screw me over. So, after the last wave had such a hard time arriving on store shelves and was delayed by such a long time, I figured, with such a popular character as Infinite coming out, this was probably going to be a similar situation with this wave. So I decided to place a pre-order. The very same day that my pre-order shipped, my friend Zach was finding these things in just about every store he went to. They were in Walmart, they were in Kohl's. Funnily enough, they're not in Target. Target is the one place that seems to be lagging behind. And of course, Target is the only store that, I have access to. There are no Walmarts or Kohl's in New York. At least not in the city. So, yeah, that's my lot. So I guess I wouldn't have been able to buy this in person, but, Zach could always have gotten them for me. So I had to get all 4 figures in the wave. But you know what? The repeat figures in this wave aren't bad, so we're going to get into that. And, yes, cutting straight towards myself. Yes. So we are opening our giant box from Big Bad Toy Store. Okay, what do we have here? We have pillowy packing material. And we have Metal Sonic. Since he comes with the same spring accessory the other one came with, it's basically straight up just a complete re-release of the previous Metal Sonic figure, not even a different accessory, really. So, aside from the fact that it is Metal Sonic, it's kind of the most disappointing figure in this particular wave. Then, of course, a repeat of Sonic, but this Sonic comes with a really cool accessory. It is a Sonic skateboard. We'll get a closer look at that later. Wondering if that's like the skateboard from the classic Sonic stages of City Escape, but then, those are the classic Sonic stages, not the modern ones. Of course, it's not like Sonic's never been depicted with a skateboard. He's been depicted with a skateboard quite a lot. But, it just seems weird that we got a skateboard, Probably because Jet had his extreme gear in the last wave, they wanted to give Sonic another vehicle to ride, because all we had before was the snowboard from Sonic Adventure. And here it is. Boom. Cream the Rabbit. The first time we've gotten the Cream since the Toy Island days. And the first time that I've ever had an official toy of Cream. Yes, I made several customs of her, but I actually didn't have the Toy Island figure, and I didn't go through the effort to hunt it down like I did for Rouge the Bats, so I've never had one. This is my very first Cream, so yay. And of course, anyone who's been watching me for a while would know how significant this one is. Infinite! The pain persists, I can't resist. That's what it takes to be Infinite. Oh my god. Anyone who's been watching me for a decent amount of time should know the incredible amount of lore that goes into the Wake Angel 2001 Infinite history. Like, the raw, seething spite that went into my manufacturing of many custom figures specifically to outdo the very not good figure that oh man, I don't even remember who made it. Tomy made. But, oh wow. Again, we have an official Infinite figure. I've made Infinites in the past. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up right now. I'm gonna look something up. Go into my DeviantArt gallery on the computer over here. Going into my gallery. Searching my own gallery for Infinite. Boom. Okay, so where are they? Okay, so Jamie, you are the person who I made a Jakks Pacific scaled infinite figure for. I made it back in, the date should be on here somewhere. April 13th, 2022. Okay, so April 13th last year, I made a Jakks Pacific scaled infinite figure for Jamie. If you are watching this, and I hope you are, because like if you commission me, you must watch me on YouTube. If you ever get this infinite figure, I beg you, please take a picture of this figure next to the one that I made you, so we can see how they compare side to side. Also, the raspberry fur. I also made a Jakks Pacific scaled infinite for you. The difference is that that one was unmasked. So if you can send me a picture of that figure as well, next to the official one, that would be fantastic. So, Raspberry Fur and Emilio, was that Emilio? There's so many names on here. Jamie, right? Yes, Jamie. Jamie and Raspberry Fur, you two whom I've made Jakks Pacific scaled infinites for. Please, when you get this figure, take a picture of the ones I made for you next to it. I really would like to see how they compare side by side. So that is the unboxing. I guess the next thing to do would be review the figures themselves. I think I'll do a twofer for the Metal Sonic and Sonic ones, since they're the repeats of this wave, and then Cream and Infinite will each get their own videos independently. And yes, I am going to compare the custom Cream that I made to the official one. And by the way, here's a printout of the official 3D model of Cream's head, which I deemed to be in proper scale when I compare it to the other characters. So, like, we're going to see how my scale works out to how they made it. Remember, Jakks Pacific is not always good with scale. Remember how oversized Amy Rose was. So, with that being said, stay tuned for the review videos for these figures. This is Wake Angel 2001, and I'll see you very soon.